bare spots under trees making your yard look patchy and messing with your curb appeal? Yeah, dealing with those stubborn, shady spots is super annoying, but you totally have options to fix them up and make your yard look way better. First off, skip trying to force grass to grow where it just can't. Trees are greedy for sunlight, and that grass isn't going to win. Instead, try laying down a thick layer of mulch. It's low-key, looks nice, and helps keep the soil moist for the tree roots. Or if you want something a little more green, go with shade-loving ground cover plants like hostas, ferns, or even some sweet woodruff. These guys thrive where grass just gives up. Water those new plants well at first and keep an eye on them until they're settled in. If you're using mulch, refresh it every year to keep things looking fresh and stop weeds from popping through. Make sure you don't pile mulch right up against the tree trunk though. It can mess with the tree and cause rot. And if you want to get a little extra, add a border with stones or bricks to define the space and tie the whole look together. One of the biggest mistakes people make with shaded bare spots is trying to reseed grass over and over, which just wastes time and money because most grass types need way more sun than they get under trees. Instead, switch to ground cover plants that are actually made for low-light areas. Search for best ground cover for shade, so you're not guessing. Another issue is piling mulch way too high against the trunk, which causes tree rot and attracts pests. Keep mulch 2 to 3 inches away from the base so the tree stays healthy and happy. The third common problem is forgetting to water new plants under trees because you think the rain will do it all. Tree canopies block a lot of water, so make sure to give those new ground covers some extra love until they're established. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with real-deal local contractors who actually know how to fix tricky yard problems like bare spots under trees, so you can finally stop stressing about your landscaping. For contractors, it's awesome because it gets your name out there and helps you land more jobs with people who seriously need your skills.